The S-5-Z, in which Z stands for zip rib, is specifically designed for round bulb seam configurations. Its two-piece design allows it to be easily installed anywhere along the length of the rib. The non-penetrating seam clamp allows it to securely hold solar, snow retention, and other heavy-duty applications in place. The S-5-Z Mini is a lighter, more economical solution designed for medium-duty applications, making it ideal for attaching rooftop accessories such as signs, satellite dishes, antennas, and solar arrays. It offers versatility without compromising on strength. S5 offers two additional versions of the S-5-Z designed for bulb-shaped seams, each tailored for specific installation needs. The S-5ZH Mini is made to accommodate thermal movement of the roof panels without restriction, making it ideal for use at clip or halter locations. The S-5ZF provides precise adjustment for securing the PV Kit railless solar mount, bottom-mounted solar rails, and utility components. So whether you need the robust features of the S-5Z or the economical approach of the S-5Z Mini, these clamps have you covered for all your rooftop mounting needs. Let's get started with installation. Take your round point set screws and start partially threading them into the clamp by hand. The S-5Z Standard has 2 and the Mini has 1. Next, position the clamp at your desired location along the seam. The S-5Z clamp can be oriented in either upslope or downslope position depending on your application requirements. Now it's time to tighten the set screws. Use your calibrated screw gun and the included bit tip to do this. If your clamp requires 2 set screws, remember to tension and retension as the seam material compresses. You'll notice that the insert will dimple the seam material but won't penetrate it. And there you go! Once installed correctly, these clamps require no maintenance or re-inspection for the life of the roof.